Welcome to Networks Professional, the Cisco Networking Academy. Understand different phases of hacking cycle. Presently, organizations are giving top priority to cybersecurity as cyber attacks have the potential to damage their brand equity or reputation. Therefore, organizations are recruiting cybersecurity professionals to curb the ever-evolving threats from security breaches. Hacking phase, reconnaissance. Reconnaissance refers to the preparatory phase in which an attacker gathers as much information as possible about the target prior to launching the attack. In this phase, the attacker draws on competitive intelligence to learn more about the target. Hacking phase, gaining access. This is the phase in which real hacking occurs. Attackers use vulnerabilities identified during the reconnaissance and scanning phases to gain access to the target system and network. Gaining access refers to the point where the attacker obtains access to the operating system or to applications on the computer or network. Hacking phase, scanning. Scanning is the phase immediately preceding the attack. Here, the attacker uses the details gathered during reconnaissance to scan the network for specific information. Scanning is a logical extension of active reconnaissance, and in fact, some experts do not differentiate scanning from active reconnaissance. Hacking phase, maintaining access. Maintaining access refers to the phase when the attacker tries to retain his or her ownership of the system. Once an attacker gains access to the target system with admin or root level privileges, thus owning the system, they can use both the system and its resources at will. Hacking phase, clearing tracks. For obvious reasons, such as avoiding legal trouble and maintaining access, attackers will usually attempt to erase all evidence of their actions. Clearing tracks refers to the activities carried out by an attacker to hide malicious acts. The attacker's intentions include continuing access to the victim's system, remaining unnoticed and uncaught, and deleting evidence that might lead to their own prosecution. Thanks for watching Networks Professionals.